Hello and welcome to this video on JavaScript objects. If you're new to programming or looking to improve your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to more advanced topics. So, what exactly are JavaScript objects? In simple terms, an object is a collection of key-value pairs that store data and behavior. Think of it like a real-life object with properties and methods. You might wonder why we need to work with objects. The answer is simple. Objects help us organize and structure our code in a more efficient way. Let's dive into some key concepts related to JavaScript objects. We have properties, which are the data stored in an object, methods, which are functions that operate on an object, and this keyword, which refers to the current object. Now that we've covered some basics, let's learn how to create a JavaScript object. We can use the literal syntax or the object constructor. To access a property in an object, we use the dot notation or bracket notation. Let's see how it works. To modify a property in an object, we can assign a new value to it. Let's see how it works. Let's create a person object with properties and methods. We'll see how to access and modify its properties. Here's a diagram showing the creation and modification of an object. We'll use graphs to visualize this process. Be careful when working with properties that might be null or undefined. We'll see how to handle such cases. Let's recap what we've learned so far. We covered key concepts, creating and modifying objects, and handling common mistakes. Now that you've learned the basics of JavaScript objects, it's time to practice. Try creating your own objects with properties and methods. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. You've learned the basics of JavaScript objects. Keep practicing and experimenting to improve your skills.